Create email with domain and forward email to Gmail account. This is the landing page of Coming Soon created in the last video using Elementor. If you missed out last video on how to create Coming Soon landing page, you can watch from cards on above. Now I want to change this mail with my name, adding @domain name. Go to WordPress dashboard. Under Elementor, click on My Templates. Click on Edit with Elementor. Double click on this to edit. Let me give my name at first and add domain name at end of after at. And click on update. Let me check it is updated or not. Yes, it's updated. Now we will add email and forward email. For this, you should add /cpanel after your domain name. Log in with your username and password given by hosting provider. Click on email accounts. This is the previous one which is created few days ago on different domain. To add new, click on add email account. Let me select domain and add your name. Give password. Type password again. Leave as it is and click on create account. Now email is created with name. For forwarding, go back to home on cPanel. Click on forwarders. This is the previous one. Now add forwarder. Select domain and give your name. Under destination, give your email address. Click on add forwarder. Now we succeed doing this. Let me check it's working or not. Let me log in with different email to send mail as testing. Compose mail. Type new mail address which is created just now. Mail has been sent. You can see the details. Let's check out my Gmail inbox. Yes, we did this. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. See you soon with new video again.